If you're using LinkedIn Sales Navigator on HubSpot, I'm sure you would love to import your LinkedIn leads in just one click, or your Sales Navigator contacts from leads or searches directly into your HubSpot. Hi, I'm Bastian, co-founder of Hublead, and in this video, I'll show you the easiest way to exactly do that without, of course, using the worst integration made by Sales Navigator to do that with HubSpot. So let me start with the problem right now. If you're trying to get your Sales Navigator leads in HubSpot, there's no native export button. LinkedIn doesn't let you to do that easily. But now, HubSpot does have a native integration with Sales Navigator, but it requires Sales Hub Professional or Enterprise. That's okay, but it requires the most advanced plan in Sales Navigator, and we're talking about $200 per month per user minimum, and you have to pay, of course, yearly. And even with this, you can only do Sales Navigator import. You cannot use on LinkedIn, so it's pretty like half an integration. So this is why I co-founded Hublead. Hublead is a Chrome extension that connects your LinkedIn or your LinkedIn Sales Navigator directly to HubSpot. You can view your HubSpot information in this platform, and of course you can import contacts from LinkedIn. But what we are going to review right now is how to import Sales Navigator list or searches directly to HubSpot, 25 by 25 contacts. So I'm going to show you right now. So it's very simple. You have to download our Chrome extension. You can sign up through our website hublead.io. Then you go to Sales Navigator. You can go to your search for marketing director, for example, and then I can click on the 25 contacts and simply click on sync 25 contacts. I can search also for phone numbers, and you can see that we recognize that some of your contacts are already inside HubSpot. So either you don't want to select this one, or you can just simply click on that, and then you see it disappeared. Then I can get the 24 contact and click on sync contact inside HubSpot. So you might need to wait for a few minutes, but once done, we can see that we identified which contacts are now inside HubSpot. And if I open some of these contacts, then you can see that we can directly view this contact inside HubSpot. We have the profile picture, first name, last name, the job title, link to the right company. If the company already exists, then we associate with the right company based on the company name, company domain, or LinkedIn company URL. You get the LinkedIn URL, you get the Sales Navigator URL, you know that it was imported with Hublead, and you get, of course, the phone numbers or email if we find them. But what really makes Hublead different is not only that you can import contacts to HubSpot, it's that you can also import your LinkedIn messages, Sales Navigator in messages, emails, invitations sent, and even when they are accepted inside HubSpot. You can see that in the timeline of your contact, but you can also access to this data in the contact properties with our 4 main properties: last LinkedIn message sent date, for example, or last LinkedIn invitation sent date. If you're interested to discover our product, you can check that in our full demo in the description of the video. Otherwise, you can subscribe to the channel. You will receive all my content and my videos on how to make the most of HubSpot for outbound. See you to the next video.